Welcome back. This is Iba once again, your host. Moving on from where we left on in the previous tutorial. This time around, we are going to talk about some of the other features that are found on this utility window. The next thing we are going to talk about is what you need to do if you are to get the best out of Wese Kwese. You need to go on and add classes. In our case, we are going to assume this is it's a primary school. We are going to say we have class 1A, and we have class 1B, A, 2B, etc. And then you need to move on and add users here. If you can see, when you log into Wese Kwese for the first time, you are logged in as first time user here, and no user account has been created yet. You are operating in the admin account where you have the full rights to create, to use all the functions of the system. But paramount important is creation of user accounts, so that the system will be able to track who does what and when. So for example, I am going to create my account here. Username, credential, password. So usually I'm the admin, and then I need to register the BESA. BESA here is password. Okay. User level is the BESA. To save, and then user level is general. So should understand that the admin is all the full powers to control everything in the system. The BESA only has the power to enter data into the system. In case of an error, the BESA needs the attention of the administrator to reverse the transaction, and that the BESA will have to redo it. The general account does not have much in it. It only gives someone permission to view reports only. So when you forget your password, you need to solve. When you feel your password is now public, you use this button to reset it. When you forget your password, you reset it using this window. Oftentimes it happens that stuff is reshuffled and user clearance level needs to be changed. When you feel that this user needs to be upgraded or downgraded, you can upgrade Pauline. As you can see, Pinule general can be is now the base. You can do this, and when you check again, you see Pinule is now the base. So let's throw Pauline back to them. You can also downgrade okay. At any given instant, there must be at least one admin. Effecting this change, you will leave the system without an admin, and that's illegal. Register a new admin before removing it. This system is trying to at least this message is trying to at least make sure the system has at least one administrator who controls the system, so you can't leave the system without an administrator. Thank you. This is in as far as utilities is concerned. I will meet you again in the next tutorial. Just hang on. I'm your host, Iba.